Hello, hello, hello. Good morning, everyone. Mega love shout out to all the subscribers and followers of this channel. And if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Today, we're going to solve word problem involving horizontal and vertical distance between 2 points. And this is your teacher, Marife Adonis. Now, we have here a first problem. So we're going to find the horizontal distance first. Okay, so that means we're dealing with the x-axis, no? Find the length of the segment with endpoints negative 16 and negative 8 and 2 and negative 8. So upon identifying this, so our y sub 2 or y sub 1 is equals to negative 8. Wait, we're repeating to x, not y, no? So horizontal is the x-axis. So our x sub 1 is negative 16. X sub 2 equals 2. So from the formula, to get the length, so we have x is equals to x sub 2 minus x sub 1. Now we're using here absolute value because the being positive, no positivity of the exam, the answer. So we have negative 16 minus 2. That is the absolute value of negative 18, or simply 18. Okay, next problem. Coach Alex drew his football team's next play on the coordinate grid. Place given at point 1 and 3. He will be passing the ball to Angelo at negative 6 and 3. What is the distance in yards of the pass from given to Angelo? So assume that 1 unit is equals to 1 yard. So first we're going to identify the x sub 1. That is 1. Then the x sub 2 is negative 6. So from our formula, x sub 2 minus x sub 1, that equals to negative 6 minus 1. Oh, this looks F. So it should be 1. Okay, that is about absolute value of negative 7 or 7. 7 yard. Okay, since 1 unit is equivalent to 1 yard, so that means the distance between Angelo and Given is about 7 yards. Okay, next, on a map, coordinate or coordinate grid whose series city is located at negative 4 and negative 1, and Juan Lonaville is located at 2, negative 1. How long is the train's route if it travels along a straight line from Musiri City to Juan Lunaville? So 1 map unit is equals to 1 mile. Okay. So first we need to identify the x sub 1. That is about negative 9, and the x sub 2 is 2. Okay, so from the formula, so we have x minus 2, or x sub 2 minus x sub 1. So we got negative 9, absolute value of negative 9 minus 1. So that is about the absolute value of negative 10, or the answer is 10. So since 1 map unit is equivalent to 1 mile, so this is about 10 mile, okay? Or 10 miles, right? Okay, next. Let's have problem number 4. Or shall I say, I leave it to you? And I'm going to help you na lang. Okay. All right. So here, two bankers started at the same point and steam in opposite directions at the same speed. So after 1 hour, the Banca A was at point 21 and 15, and Banca B was at negative 7 and 15. How far are these ships from each other? So 1 map unit equals to 1 kilometer. Okay. So let's identify first as x sub 1. X sub 1 is 21. The x sub 2 is negative 7. So x is equals to the absolute value of uh, x sub 2 minus x sub 1. Negative 7 minus 21. It's about absolute value of negative 28, or 28. Okay. Or about 28 kilometers. Since one map unit is equals to, so this about 28 kilometers. Okay. So for number 5, it's your turn. And now let's solve vertical distance problem. No? Okay. When we see vertical, the one that stands. Okay. So we're looking for y sub 1. So here the y sub 1 is 45 and y sub 2 is 8. So to get the distance from the vertical line, so y is equals to y sub 2 minus y sub 1. That is about 8 minus 45. The answer is negative 37. So the absolute value of negative 37 is equals to 37. Okay. So that means the distance from Trisha's house to Bea's house is about 37 houses, or 37 units from its houses. Next, we have find the distance of the point 911 or negative 11 from the y-axis. Here, that means uh, our y sub 1 is equal to negative 11, and the y sub 2 is equals to 0. All right, 0. Because it's find the distance of the points because it's from the y-axis. So it's up, no? So that means the y sub 2 is 0, 0. Okay, so from the formula, so this one, this is okay. So we have the absolute value of uh negative 11 minus 0 or minus negative 11. That's about wait, why I wrote 11 here? It should be 0. Okay, so 0 has no negative. So it is 11, no? So negative, that means uh, it is 11. So the distance from the point 9 and 11 from the y-axis is 11. Okay, next. Okay, so this problem is quite easy because you don't need to solve. You just find the coordinates of the gym. So be happy you have looking for it. Okay, next we have this problem. On a map's coordinate grid, Blue City is located at negative 5, 8, and Red Bull is located at negative 5, negative 4. How long is the train's route if it travels along a straight line from a Blue City to Redville? So one concept map is equals to 1 mile. So it's easy, no? Just solve it. Okay? You started it, you have to solve it. And then number 5, two cars started at the same point and went in the opposite directions at the same speed. After 1 hour, the car A was at the point 11.6. So the ship B was at 11 negative 3. How far are these cars from each other? So one map is equivalent to 2 kilometers. Okay. So how have you solved it? Next, so for your journal number 3, explain this quote in 5 sentences. Many people will walk in and out of your life, but only true friends will leave footprints in your heart. Okay, so what does it mean? So it talks about the distance. Okay, so and if you understand it thoroughly, many people will walk in and out. Of course, maraming tao tayong makakasama araw-araw, but andyan sila lagi, no? Aalis, dadating, aalis, dadating. Pero ang totoong kaibigan, kahit saan ka man makarating, magkasama pa rin kayong dalawa. Okay, so that's all for today. And we love you. I love you.